like them. It serves me out and do it like them.
Hi guys. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb, and I'm here with my FabFitFun today. Come on, scoot this chair over and scoot this chair up because it keeps squeaking. Here. And I did have 2 add-ons with it. So, we're just going to stick this right on here. Oh, of course I didn't. Yeah, it's alright. Got all these crafts in here. I'm sure I got scissors somewhere, but not me. I would do it the hard way. I do it with a pin. Oh, come on. There we go. Now I got it. If you're not familiar with FabFitFun, it is now, I believe, $59.99 if you pay by the season. It's a seasonal lifestyle box. And you can get fashion, beauty, self-care, home care, jewelry, makeup, you name it. Pretty much anything under the sun. But they, if you pay seasonally, it's $59.99. And if you pay annually, I believe it's like $219.99. It's right around $220. You save $20 by paying annually. And if you're seasonally, you get to pick so many of them. Oh, we got another thing in there. And of course, they always have these in there. They've got games. Ultimate prize winner. We all know I'm not going to win. But anyway, they this is what it looks like when you open up the box. And if you're annual, you get to pick in the beginning. You get first picks. And on all of these, you can add additional items. And I did add 2 additional items. Let me open up my app here. I had it open a few minutes ago, and I don't remember what happened. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to open these first just to get them out of the way. And these are, what the heck are they? I think these are Dime Optics aviator glasses, and they're $30. And I'll be honest with you, when I went to Louisiana, I lost my Kate Spade ones. So, yeah, they were either in my granddaughter's car, or I don't know what happened to them. And I really don't like aviators, but my eyes are so sensitive, I have to wear something when I'm out. And these are supposed to be a $30 value. And I'll be honest with you. And then I had the ones I had from, and that's what they look like. And they're metal. But the ones I had from Temu, I really liked those, but my friend sat on them the other day. So I'll have to get some more of those, probably. But that's what those look like, and they're a $30 value. And they're, they're metal. They're decent glasses. And then I got this too. And this is a $49.99 value. I think I paid like $10 for it, $12. But when you get additional items, if you want more than one item in a particular category, then they charge you a certain amount. The higher category, usually the higher the category, the higher the amount. Oops. And this is just a rechargeable razor. And I can use that right now. Yeah, rechargeable razor is what that is. So I have one of those. What were they? Went around not so long ago. My mom got us all of them. So I have that, but I just never use it. And I probably won't use this one either, but I thought, what the heck?
Text message.
He does that every damn time I get on here. So those are my extras, okay? This, and then the rest is my box. This is twobandits.com, and it looks like this. And I have one of these already, so I just thought, well, I'd get this for the other side of the bed, even though I don't share my bed with anybody. That's what it looks like, and it's supposed to be a $30 value. And they have little felt pads in them. Mostly mine just goes for change. That's what usually ends up in there, is just change out of my pockets. I don't know why. The next thing is L Space. And this is a massage ball. And I really didn't know what it was, but it was the only thing. Yeah, it's what I kind of thought it was. It's one of them balls you put in the back of your neck. And I had such bad neck problems. And it does come with its own batteries. I assume that's how you put them in. No, that's how you turn it on. So where the hell do you put them in? Oh, you twist it? No? Yeah. Yeah, you twist it. You'll get this right someday, Deb. Oh, it needs a screwdriver, so I'll just do it later. But I'm sure it just vibrates like all the other crap. It's supposed to heal my neck. Never does. Work injury from years ago. I'll stick that up there. And that's a $42 bag. Okay, and then I got this. And it's Sunday Citizen resin bath set. That's what the box looks like. Well, those are a lot prettier than I thought they were going to be. And that's what they look like. You can see. They're a lot nicer quality than I really thought they were going to be. But my next room I'm attacking is my bathroom, so it will go in there. Hopefully attacking. But don't attack me first. We're very well good. Anyway. Yeah, there's a few more items in here. Let's see what the value of that was. Oh, that was a $60 value. They are nice. Would I pay $60 on my own? No. Okay, and then the next thing I got, and this was the first item, and this is, who's this by? Oh, this is Free People. This is a Free People wallet, and it's valued at $58, yeah. This is what this looks like. And it has a little diagonal across here. I really don't know what you use that for, quite honestly. It's just for looks, I assume. And this is the actual wallet. And that's what the inside looks like. And I think this is just for looks. Yeah, it's a fake zipper. It's a fake zipper. It's just for looks. But you know, I've been doing some reading lately. And I know people were against animal cruelty. But this vegan leather that they're selling you people, without being rude, it takes like 1,000 years to disintegrate in the earth. So right now, I'm at the point I don't know which is better. You know, maybe pressuring these people to use the same leather that comes off the cows that they eat. I think maybe that'd be the better choice. Anyhow, in there, so I have it. Trash down there. And then the last thing I had, oh no, I have two more things, sorry. This is my tagalongs digital luggage scale. And with my son being in the service, I tend to fly a lot, and I'll be honest with you, I'm getting so old that I really need to continue to. But you just put this part on to your luggage. It's probably not charged. No, it's not charged. No, it's just got one of those things in it. And you pull your luggage, and it'll tell you how much it weighs. You attach this into your luggage, and it'll tell you how much it weighs, so you don't go overweight. But it is what it is. And that's all that is. I'll put that back in the box, so when I look for it next time, I can find it. And then lastly, we have a pair of earrings that are Elizabeth Stone Mod Bar Stud. These are tiny. And I will take them out, but I won't put them on because I don't really think you'll be able to see it. But here is what they look like. Very, very tiny. Keep it in front of my face. And then they're very, very tiny, and that's what they are. Just a bar. And one side is like a crystal type thing, and the other side is just gold. And those are valued at $45. Okay. I saw somebody coming. And, you know, I don't question the value on some of these things because a lot of it is the name, period. You know, you hear people, oh, they elevate the prices. Well, they probably do. But you're still getting over your $50, $60. So, anyhow, that's what I got. So, I'm going to go ahead and do my mystery bundles next, and then I will put them up this weekend. Thanks. I have no idea. There it is. Thanks for watching, and come on back.